Good day, everyone. Today, let's dive into the top 3 fruits that can kickstart your morning and give your kidneys the love they deserve. Stick around for a bonus lineup of 10 essential fruits for your kidneys' well-being. Trust me, it's worth it. Our kidneys work tirelessly to cleanse our bodies daily. The morning choices we make affects our kidneys. I've got a fantastic kidney detox juice recipe waiting for you at the end. But first, let's explore the top 3 fruits to supercharge your breakfast and show your kidneys some gratitude. At the top of our list, we have pomegranates, a superfruit crucial for kidney health. These fruits are packed with antioxidants, like pumecalogen and anthocyanins, which battle oxidative stress, a culprit for kidney inflammation and damage. By reducing inflammation, pomegranates play a crucial role in slowing kidney disease progression. Also, they increase up nitric oxide levels, vital for maintaining healthy blood vessels crucial for kidney function. While pomegranates contain potassium, beneficial for kidneys, moderation is key, especially for those with kidney issues. Sprinkle their jewel-like seeds over cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or sip on fresh pomegranate juice. Their sweet tart flavor not only elevates your meal, but also showers your kidneys with a bounty of nutrients. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned as I unveil additional kidney-friendly fruits and a detox juice recipe featuring our top picks. Let's dive into these other fruits essential for kidney health. Next up at number 2 are blueberries, small but mighty fruits bursting with essential nutrients. These little blue gems contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which fight off harmful free radicals that can damage our cells. These foods reduce oxidative stress, is crucial for preventing inflammation and related issues. They're also rich in vitamin C, boosting immunity, and manganese, essential for enzyme functions. Together, these nutrients defend against health threats and reduce inflammation, a common enemy in kidney problems. Furthermore, their fiber content supports digestive health, blood sugar control, and cholesterol management, easing the strain on our kidneys. Start your day right with these powerhouse berries. Sprinkle them on cereal, mix them into oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. Treat yourself to blueberry pancakes for a tangy sweet and kidney-friendly breakfast delight. Number 3 in our list is the mighty apple. This simple fruit does more than keep doctors away. It's a true helper to your kidneys. Packed with fiber, apples lighten the workload on your kidneys by aiding waste elimination. What sets them apart is their secret products. Pectin, a fiber type that champions in lowering cholesterol. Maintaining optimal cholesterol levels is important for kidney health, keeping potential issues away. Apples, with their low potassium content, also boast anti-inflammatory properties, a key ally against kidney troubles. Also, they have a low glycemic index, making them a diabetic-friendly delight. Incorporating apples into your breakfast is simply slice into oatmeal, yogurt, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. Number 1. Papaya. Papaya isn't just tasty, it's a health powerhouse, especially for kidneys. Packed with papain, it fights inflammation effectively. Beyond papain, papaya is rich in vital nutrients like vitamin C, A, folate, and fiber. Vitamins A and C act as antioxidants, protecting kidneys from cell damage. Folate aids kidney health by producing glutathione, a potent antioxidant, and breaking down harmful homocysteine levels. Adding papaya to your daily diet not only satisfies your taste buds, but also boosts your body's defense against heart disease and kidney issues. It's a delicious way to support overall health, including kidney wellness. Number 2. Grapes, available in red, green, or black, are excellent for your kidneys and body cleansing. They're packed with water, vital for kidney function and waste removal. Grapes contain powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and resveratrol, reducing inflammation and shielding your kidneys from harm. With their potassium content, grapes promote urine production, aiding in detoxification. Also, they help regulate blood pressure, thanks to potassium and polyphenols, while low oxalate levels reduce the risk of kidney stones. Research shows that grape antioxidants protect kidneys, ensuring urinary tract health. Whether fresh, dried, or in juice form, grapes are a delicious and kidney-friendly choice. Number 3. Cranberries play a vital role in kidney health and body cleansing. Their unique properties make them a standout choice. Cranberries combat urinary tract infections, UTIs, by containing proanthocyanidins, preventing bacteria from clinging to the urinary tract walls. Additionally, they contain citric acid, which reduces the risk of kidney stones by preventing mineral clumping. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, cranberries fight oxidative stress and inflammation, easing the strain on your kidneys. They promote urine production, aiding waste removal, and contain anti-inflammatory flavonoids and polyphenols. Potassium in cranberries regulates blood pressure, crucial for kidney health. Furthermore, cranberries maintain gut bacteria balance, supporting overall health. With their high vitamin C content, cranberries boost immunity, shielding kidneys from infections. Adding cranberries to your meals not only adds flavor but also ensures kidney support in a tasty package. Number 4. Pineapples, with their juicy sweetness and vibrant yellow color, are excellent for kidney cleansing. They contain bromelain, an enzyme renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, reducing kidney swelling and promoting health. Packed with vitamin C, pineapples shield your kidneys from oxidative stress while boosting your immune system. Their high water content aids toxin flushing, keeping your kidneys well hydrated and functioning smoothly. Additionally, pineapples provide manganese, vital for kidney health, and fiber, promoting digestive efficiency. Despite containing potassium, pineapples are safe for those monitoring potassium intake due to kidney issues. Incorporating pineapples is a wise choice for supporting and cleansing your kidneys. Number 5. Eating cherries is a fantastic way to support kidney health, acting as natural cleansers that swiftly remove toxins and waste. Loaded with antioxidants such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, cherries shield your kidneys from free radical damage. These antioxidants also keep in control anti-inflammatory effects, reducing swelling and lightening your kidneys' workload, enhancing their efficiency. The potassium content in cherries plays a crucial role in maintaining the right balance of fluids, electrolytes, and blood pressure, essential factors for optimal kidney function. Recent research, including a 2012 study in arthritis and rheumatism, highlights cherries' ability to lower uric acid levels in the body. This is significant as high uric acid levels can contribute to kidney stones and worsen conditions like gout. Furthermore, evidence suggests that the anthocyanins in cherries may offer protection against chronic kidney disease, underscoring the immense benefits cherries bring to kidney health. Incorporating cherries into your diet isn't just tasty, it's a smart and delicious choice for nurturing your kidneys. Number 6. Strawberries aren't just delicious, they're packed with kidney benefits. Rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin C, they shield your kidneys from oxidative stress. Also, strawberries promote urine production, aiding kidney cleansing. Vitamin C in strawberries also boosts collagen production, enhancing kidney structure and function. Their ellagic acid content offers potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, safeguarding kidneys from inflammation and other issues. Adding strawberries to your diet is a smart move for kidney health. Number 7. Pomegranates, a superfood, are not only delicious but also packed with kidney-cleansing nutrients. Their ruby red seeds and sweet juice offer numerous benefits. High in antioxidants like collagen, they combat harmful free radicals, protecting kidneys from oxidative stress. Polyphenols in pomegranates reduce inflammation, aiding kidney function. They also promote healthy blood flow, vital for efficient waste filtration. Adding pomegranates to your diet not only adds flavor, but also supports kidney health. Number 8. Watermelon is more than just a summer favorite. It's fantastic for keeping you hydrated, crucial for kidney health. With its 92% water content, watermelon aids kidney function by flushing out toxins efficiently. Its citrulline content boosts arginine production, relaxing blood vessels and ensuring healthy kidney blood flow. The bright red color comes from lycopene, a potent antioxidant shielding kidneys from free radical damage. Using watermelon is a smart way to stay hydrated and support kidney health. Number 9. Blueberries, a superfood, are incredibly beneficial for your kidneys and natural body cleansing. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, they combat oxidative stress and inflammation, safeguarding your kidneys. Anthocyanins also regulate blood pressure, crucial for kidney health. Blueberries' flavonoids fight inflammation, easing kidney strain. They prevent urinary tract infections by deterring bacteria adhesion. Low oxalate content reduces the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, blueberries may aid in managing blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for diabetics. Adding blueberries to your diet isn't just delicious, but also a smart move for kidney support. Number 10. Apples. These crunchy delights are not just tasty but also kidney-friendly. With about 85% water content, apples keep your kidneys hydrated and functioning optimally. Research backs this, highlighting the importance of apples in kidney health. They're also rich in potassium, aiding kidney health without overloading on the mineral. Moreover, apples pack a punch of dietary fiber, reducing the risk of kidney stones and aiding waste elimination. Loaded with antioxidants and essential vitamins, apples safeguard your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.